Hello everyone, my name is Miranda Mandel, and for our Historical Context Museum Walk slideshow, we have chosen to focus on Law & Order Special Victims Unit and use specific examples from Season 1, Episode 4. This episode is called Hysteria, and it predominantly focuses on topics concerning prostitution, race, class, sexuality, and gender. This case focuses on a young black woman who is found dead in the alley with her skirt hiked up, believed to be a prostitute. But as we come to find out, this woman in fact is not a prostitute. And it leads them to find that this is related to many more cases that they are currently solving. This is an important matter because police do not view these prostitutes as people and not human and are not doing anything to protect them. We also see many of these people trans that are also not being protected by the police. The first season of Law & Order spinoff premiered in September of 1999 on the network NBC. The series centered on the Special Victims Unit, a branch of the NYPD that primarily investigates sexually based offenses. It's been a staple of the network since it premiered and is now the 22nd season. The show is shot in a very personal way, and close-up shots are used frequently to connect you to the emotions of the characters. Scenes are gritty and real, and the NYC streets are being used, and the costumes, being appropriate for the time, are actual and real. Thank you so much.